Hi everybody, it's August 19th, 2022. This is my second video on this because my first one, for some reason, completely shut down. I was freaked out, actually. But I'm not freaked out. I'm just super tired. So anyway, it's a little after 3:30 in the morning. What I want to show you is on College of DuPage here. This, when you're looking at weather, this is what you see a lot. There are these kind of cloud patterns, and like the different colors let you know the intensity of the weather. I'm going to show you on National Weather Service. We'll just look on the radar there. You can see this is what it's usually like. So I can zoom in here and show you. This is what we usually see. And that's what you see on almost every radar map when you're looking for it. But College of DuPage has something that a lot of places used to have. I have I have a whole folder with a lot of different sites here where I used to be able to get all sorts of information, and a lot of them are closed down now. So anyway, let's put that down. This is what College of DuPage offers. Um, so I have to do it a little at a time. First, the regional radar. So in case you're wondering, these circular patterns here are radar stations. The center is right where the radar station itself is. The radar cannot track right directly above itself. It's just the way it works. So you can see how widespread the radar is on these maps. It's just like basically covering all the area. And then there's also these weird lines where it's like a beam that's being sent even further than just where the circles was. So let's move out a little on the United States. Let's go out. Let's do continental one. Okay, so this is what is startling to me. Watch what happens here in the center. See these radar circles on and off and on and off really fast like that, rapidly? That is highly unusual. What you're seeing over here are alerts. Down here it tells you like this is thunderstorm and flood in this area. I can't get that off right now, but I am completely shocked at the way this radar is acting right here. First of all, it bothers me that the radar can go so far, which that is out almost every night. If you look at here, you can see that. But that this is going on and off like that, it's really startling. So just compare this to, in my mind, to what we get on the news. So there's this, which is a reality that's going on in the atmosphere that's very difficult to find. And then there's this. La 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 la. Okay. This, which is, as far as I know, this might not even be all of what's actually happening in the atmosphere. This is probably just a little piece of it. But look at that. Those are radar signals being sent out into the atmosphere, along with all these beams. You can see those beams shooting out there, shooting out over here. That's crazy. Usually it's just kind of like, see the way this one is just kind of staying, well, okay, so that one's blinking too. They're not usually blinking like that. They're usually just staying stationary. This is like highly, highly unusual. It's also interesting that these are stretched out so far, and like here, they're so much smaller distance. But look at how much that covers almost all of the United States, except for notably in Nevada and Oregon areas. Okay, so once again, la 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 la. Do, do, do. Ay, 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 ay. You know, radar initially was for surveillance, and everything's just improved. Besides that, it's energy going into the atmosphere. So I'm not going to make this too long. The information for the links are below. I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service.